Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you redeem your tests and activate your kits. Now, this is after you've ordered and paid for your tests online. The testing kits have been sent to you and you've swabbed your animals. And now you're ready to send those swabs to us for processing. So before you pop your swabs in the reply paid envelope supplied to you, you need to log back in here to your breeder portal and click on redeem tests. This way your swabs will actually match up to the particular test that you want that swab to be tested for. So here, this is where you can redeem your test and activate your kit or activate your swab. So what you want to do is on the swab in question, there'll be a barcode positioned right about here. What you want to do is have the swab handy and have that barcode handy. And then here you need to tick which test or tests you want to redeem or use on this particular swab. So in this case, I'm going to select my full breed profile or one of my full breed profiles. And now I'm just going to enter my barcode. And then once I'm happy and I know I've selected the correct barcode, I'm going to click next. Now it's really important that you get the barcode number right for the particular swab and that you've selected the right test, because that's how we marry the two up and ensure that that particular swab and that particular sample is going to have the correct tests done on it. So I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to click next. And that's it. Now here, this is where it confirms all the tests that are going to be conducted on this swab. Now, you will note here that even though this was the full breed profile that I purchased earlier for my Border Collie, when I'm here, I can actually select or deselect particular tests that I want or don't want to be included. So if now I decided, look, I don't want that, this one, and perhaps this one to be tested, I could deselect them and then continue the process. But I'm going to leave them in, but it just goes to shows you how flexible it can be even at this point. So now what you need to do is you need to make sure that you select the correct animal so that when the test results come back, not only are the correct tests conducted, but they're applied to the correct animal. So in this case, it's Ted, my Border Collie. And I'm just going to double check that all of his details are correct, and they are. And then I'm simply going to click next. Now, in this next step, you just need to indicate who collected the sample. If it was yourself, then by default, it's going to select owner. If you had a collection agent from Orivet collect the sample, you would need to enter the agent's name or ID details here. Or if it was your vet, then you need to enter their full name and the name of their vet clinic as well. But in this case, I did the swab. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to click Activate Kit. And that's it. So now we've successfully matched up the swab with the tests that I wanted to redeem, and I've also assigned it to the animal that this swab was from. So congratulations, your barcode has been activated. All you need to do now is pop that swab in the post in the reply paid envelope that was supplied with your DNA testing kit, and then come back and log into your portal over the coming days and you'll be able to track your sample. Thanks for watching.